What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are doing intake goodness modifications to the Fiesta because it just sounds boring. I'll give you a little rev sound clip here. Okay guys, so real quickly, I've got 2 free tickets I'm giving away for Ford Fair. They're worth about £35 each. All you have to do to win them is like this video, comment down below, free ticket, be subscribed to the channel, follow B7 Performance on Instagram and follow B17Y. So you should be doing them all already, so all you really have to do would be comment. But if you're not, make sure you're doing them, and we will be at Ford Fair. Make sure to come check us out on the trade stand. I'll leave the map on the screen here so you can see where we're going to be. Come over, grab some parts, have a chat, see the car, and yeah, it'd be great to meet you. So that's all you need to know. Now let's get back to the video. So yeah, you get what I mean. There's nothing happening. It's boring. I want some turbo flutters. I want to sound like a cool dude driving a Mark II RS with screaming pipe, firing brake out down the motorway. Don't want to sound stock. Dead. So today we're going to be installing the only intake that we could possibly be installing, an Tip Motorsport one. Same as what I've run on the Mark 7. Same what I used to run on my older Mark 7. Every Fiesta I've ever had has one of their intakes. So first, I've just got to remove the stock one. It literally will take like 1 second. There's a clip, you unplug a sensor, and then you literally lift out. There's not much that goes on when it comes to removing the stock intake.
Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win,
So as you can see, the intake is removed. Also moved the hose. I'd also, when you're getting this out of the airbox, I unplugged it from the actual sensor cable, and then if you twist it anti-clockwise, you can just pull it out and remove it. And if anyone doesn't have one of these, I recommend. They barely cost anything. Just a flexi hose driver. It's so much easier to remove hoses and stuff. Anything under 7mm, just life is easier with one of these. So if you haven't got one, I suggest you grab one. Now also, coming to this installation, I needed an extra set of hands. I needed someone who understands installing the fine art of aftermarket modifications that you can grab from at b7performance.com, www.b7performance.com. If you haven't already, check it out. Use discount code new car, save yourself big money. We need a special guest. We needed someone who knows his stuff. We have Max Verstappen with us today to help us install this modification. He's going to tell us the fine art of fast. I don't know. He's going to help us fit the intake and make us make wishy-washy sounds that he wish he had in his car, in his F1 car, but he doesn't. He's not as cool as a Mark 8 ST with an intake. But he's going to help us fit it. And yeah, so let's start fitting it, because it's literally going to be so quick. It's going to be the quickest and easiest modification I've done in a long old time. So let's get it on. So Max, let's show the people what we're going to be installing today. We've got for you the brand new Tip Motorsport Air Filter. Very cool. I'm going to give you a show. It comes with all different sizes because it's like a universal filter, so it can fit onto whatever car you have. So you've got a 60mm diameter inlet, 76, 70 or 63, and then obviously the stock inlet of the filter. These look sick, yeah. These are cool. Look. So you've got your black, I guess you could say paper filter. It's a cotton filter. You've got the Tip Motorsport logo embossed inside there as well. It's really nice. It's got like a nice little concave going in as well. It looks really nice. The black will look pretty cool with the black filter as well, and just keep it looking pretty cool in the engine bay, you know what I mean? Got the Jubilee clips in there as well. And then we've also got a black silicone hose. Obviously you can get any colour hose really you want. There's quite a lot of options, but I just think black is... Max, you alright? He's alright. I'll put mine through. I think black's just a nice clean OEM plus kind of look. Like if you don't want it to look too leery, you can't go wrong with black. Once you go black, you do something. I don't know. You do something. I just switched the lanes. Then we did it again. I just flipped the plane. Skipping and dipping in bass, slap on everything. See me shaking away, cause I got big brass coming. I put my low race on it. So I don't think I showed you putting the MAF sensor housing in, but as you see, it's now mounted to silicon, and we've got this in place. We've also removed the bolt that was located here, so now this bolt will go through here. So now all's left is put this sensor back in here, but there's an Allen key that I need to remove, so then the plate in there is going to hold this down. Connect that back up and install the filter. When installing the filter, make sure the actual 70mm like reducing fitting in here, so it will fit on and you have no air leaks, and make sure you have maximum performance and power gains. And this could be me later today, but on the way home. That's going to be me. So my camera's about to die, so I want to make sure I get this done quick. I'm going to get this on, show you it done, get some sound clips, and then we can hopefully get some GoPro clips on the way home.
Money clip I toasted, I heard it's big bags on big bags on big bags coming in. Yeah, flex, I just wanna win. LA baby, who we running with? Yeah, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Pump up the action. Bitch, I'm active. If he never heard of Ben Dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch, I'm broke.
So there we have, boys, that's how you install move the tripod, MK8 ST induction kit. If you need one for yourself, you already know where to go. Top link description. But I'll give you a quick sound test. My camera is about to die, so I'm gonna have to finish off this video tomorrow or a later date. And the sun has been creeping up me the entire time I've been working indoors in my unit. If you notice, I keep pushing the car further back, because otherwise the light goes like I'm in the shade, I'm in the light, and it looks stupid. But yeah, I'll give it a quick rev up for you. Check that there's no leaks and nothing, everything's all good, no lights on the dashboard, and then yeah, I'll probably just drive it home and try and get some onboard sound clips of it. Don't know how loud it's going to be, so it's going to be kind of hard to see how it's going to work, but we'll start up and see how it sounds. Okay boys, here we go, first start. Okay, vehicle is on, drive door open, put it open, yeah. This sounds sick. I'm happy with that. I think that sounds sick. Alright, let's get some driving home bits, so obviously you can hear it a bit under load, so you get more the but yeah, that's a scientific term of that. Yeah, we all like some wishy-washy noises. That's why we do these things, to make the wishy-washy noises happen. I want to see what it sounds like under load, so we're going to drive it home now and see what it sounds. So guys, welcome back. We are back out in the Fiesta. Did you hear that? She's on, the intake is on, it sounds sick. I thought I'd just jump straight into the car with the GoPro on. It's a day later now, obviously you saw, because we got a bit caught up with the unit, I had to get other things done and prepared. But we've got it in now, we've got it in the track mode on the Fiesta. I'm just going to do a quick little poll for you. Every time I shift, it sounds sick. So much better than stock, man. It sounds so cool. It's a lot more like, feels more lively in the car. Obviously, you're getting a bit more like increased throttle control, and then you've got a little bit more power. None really noticeable until you map it, but you've got the sound in the engine bay, you've got the looks in the engine bay, a little bit of power, and it just feels a bit better on the throttle now as well. The car just feels more like ST, I guess you could say. Like the Sport is now released, I guess, if you want to put it like that. But I'll put the window down and do a little ting around the roundabout. Come on. Come on. Come on! Oh, it sounds so cool, man. It sounds so sick. Honestly, I'm well gassed. I love it. It's sick. So if you want to upgrade your car today, whether you've got like the 1 litre, the ST, or most cars that man, you think, do I put an intake on it? Do I start with the induction kit? Do it. It's the first mod I ever actually done to a car I own myself. I had a 1 litre EcoBoost Mark 7. It's the first modification I ever did, and it was an AirTech one as well. And I never looked back after that. Like the amount of shit I've done since then is ridiculous, and it all started from that one thing. So if you're looking for that first mod, or you're just looking for a mod for your car, I would 100% recommend this. But like I've said a billion times, if you need one, head over to B7 Performance, use discount code NEWCAR to save yourself some money as well on top of it. I'll leave it linked down below. We do a full range of the Air to Motorsport intakes, and if there isn't the one on there that you need for yourself, drop us a message, we'll source it for you. It can get done, and we can get you a very good price comparison rate. And we also offer finance now, so if you don't want to pay now, you can do it like 3 monthly payments, 0% interest at all. So that's worth it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hit a like on this video, comment down below what you think of the car and what you want to see next. Obviously hit that subscribe button, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.